Hello.
Hi.
Hey.
Hi, how's it going? Congratulations.
Thanks.
Thank you very much.
So excited.
Do you want to just introduce yourselves?
I'm Chris. I'm April's husband now. We got ISO married in May.
Really, this is what this whole thing's all about. Cooking for your loved ones. You know, when I read comments on the Australian Lamb Instagram, you know, the fact that you are working, you know, in the hospital. Aprille, you're working in the hospital, and well done. Thank you very much. Thank you. Anyway, are you ready to cook this lamb four-quarter chops?
Yeah, let's do it.
All right, cool. For the marinade, do you guys have like a big mortar and pestle?
We've got a tiny one. I don't know if that's going to be...
Oh my God. Okay, let's pound the peppercorns first. Lightly pound them. Aprille, you doing that or what?
I am.
Let's see. Time to add garlic, coriander roots. Slice up the golden shallot. Should be like a, sort of like a paste.
Getting there.
Yeah, that looks good. What you want to add? Sesame oil. Oyster sauce.
A bit full.
All right, you want to just spoon all that marinade onto your four-quarter chops. That's going all on. You can see I'm just sort of like rubbing it all on. Okay, so for the salad, the enoki mushrooms, some mint leaves, cucumber, shallots, chop it up in like 2 centimeter lengths.
I think we're pretty much there.
Doesn't sound like a sharp knife, by the way. Okay, salad done. What do you plan to cook it on? What's that?
Griddle.
All right, let's heat it up. So I'm going to heat mine up. This is going to smoke my whole house up, by the way. Right on. There should be enough fat in the lamb. You don't need to like oil. Oh, nice. I reckon it should take about 3 minutes on each side.
What's the thing you reckon you've missed the most?
Traveling.
Oh, yeah. We were meant to go to Vietnam for our honeymoon, so I feel ya.
Oh man, I was meant to go to Europe for my 10-year anniversary in September. Yeah, so yeah, same thing.
Nice.
You can see, look, nicely caramelized. Is it caramelized or not?
Could use maybe a little bit more.
Yeah, maybe cook it on this for a minute more. How's it smell over there?
Pretty good.
Ace.
Mine's pretty much done. Oh, that's ready, bro. Beautiful. Yours looks better than mine. You guys ready to dig in? You got any wine or anything like that, or you guys don't drink?
We definitely drink. We've been stuck in lockdown for a while.
I'm going in. Ready to?
No, it's delicious.
You know, I'm glad that I could share my simple recipe with you.
Thank you very much for doing this.
My pleasure.
Really appreciate the little things that helped out, keeping us staying positive, because it's been hard for Aprille getting through it. She does a job that I know I can't do. You brought a bit of happiness for us, so really appreciate it.
Massive respect, Aprille. I'll let you guys eat.
Awesome.
Thanks so much.
Enjoy the wine, enjoy the lamb. Make sure you message me when you finally go to Vietnam.
See you later.
Cheers. Bye. Thanks.